Pat's at the line, ready to go. We've seen both of these offenses still sort of in that figuring things out phase, but I suspect some action on the scoreboard soon as they start out here 1st and 10. A good pickup there at 22. One play has him up past the 40 already, and another 1st and 10. He's got Gronkowski yet again. And he'll be corralled out across midfield down to the 45. Back-to-back receptions for him, and it's another 1st down. He's going to rifle one deep left side. That is caught by Moss for a Patriots touchdown. Randy Moss, 45 yards. Nicely done. Another one up, another one down. Keep grinding and keep racking up those wins as his guys are able to strike first here in this opening quarter.